Hi guys, I believe all of you are doing great. I know at this point of time, every NEET aspirant is dreaming of one thing only. That is his dream medical college, AIIMS, or any government medical college. Okay. And this is very much common right now. And a lot of NEET aspirants are worried. A lot of NEET aspirants are having anxiety. Sir, how can I make it possible? My family is telling me every single day, you have to do it this year. Okay, no matter what. Sir, I am having a lot of anxiety. Please help me out. If this is possible in the next 6 months. If yes, sir, how can we make it possible? And can you please give us some of the examples who have done this before so that it can motivate us at this point of time? My dear NEET aspirants, let me just tell you, we have got 6 months left, and 6 months is more than sufficient, I would say, if you give your 100%. Okay. If you do not, then it is impossible for you guys. Let me just tell you, I have seen a lot of students who changed the game, who changed the entire scenario at the end moment. But for that, you have to follow certain steps at this point of time. Then only it is possible. Okay. I know there are students who are not able to push their score. It is only 300. I cannot make it 600. There are students their syllabus is incomplete. Now they are dreaming at this point of time. I want to become the doctor. I need to start the preparation right now. When is that going to? When is that dream going to be true in the upcoming time? My dear friends, listen to me very carefully. There are three things, only key three things. Listen very carefully. The first one is syllabus completion, as it is mentioned over here. Okay. You need to complete the syllabus. Okay. The second one is the revisions. And the third one is tests. Nothing else. These three things is going to build your confidence. These three things are going to help you land into the medical college. That is for sure. And you have to cover the backlogs also if you have. Okay. So syllabus completion, revision plus tests. Now, how are you going to do it? Now, guys, listen to me very carefully. At this point of time, I would recommend you to study for, I would say 16 hours every single day. Okay. And in that 16 hours, I would say 9 hours you should go for the syllabus completion. And one day, one chapter you have to complete. Like you have to go with the marathons. And in the marathons, try to go with the chapters which are high weightage chapters. Like when we talk about NEET 2025, physics was the subject which changed the entire game. And physics became the deciding subject. And in the NEET 2026 also, we say physics is the subject which is going to decide the game. Why? Because examiner can mess with your mind only in one subject, that is physics. Okay. He can mix two, three concepts in a particular question and frame in front of you. Okay. Then your anxiety level starts increasing. Then you start thinking, I won't be able to solve this paper and all. That's why physics has to be we say, your primary goal in completion. So, my dear NEET aspirants, let me just tell you, from day after tomorrow, from Friday 5 p.m. onwards, I will be completing these chapters for you guys only. I'm starting electrostatics, then current electricity, because 5 questions are asked from electrostatics. 5 questions means 20 marks. 20 marks from this current, 20 marks. Magnetism, 4 questions. Rotational motion plus center of mass, 4 questions. Fluids, 2 questions. Thermodynamics plus KTG, I would say 3 questions. First, we'll be completing these chapters. Then we will be moving on to those chapters which are having moderate weightage. Then we will be moving on to those chapters which are having low weightage. So first, our target is this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 days. Okay. And let me just tell you, it is already scheduled on the channel. Okay. As it is mentioned over here, that is, we say Friday, 28th November, 5 p.m. I would want you guys to go and smash the like button and smash the like button on this video also. Okay. This is our goal. Then, my dear friends, once you get done with this in a day, you will be completing the chapter. Rest of the 7 hours, you will have to basically cover if you have any of the backlogs. Okay. And plus revision. Backlogs plus revision plus question practice. You have to distribute these 7 hours accordingly. It completely depends upon you. Make the timetable, proper timetable, build it right now and go accordingly. Okay. Then, my dear NEET aspirants, listen to me very carefully. How you guys are supposed to go with the revision? First, let's suppose you completed the chapter with me in the marathon or with some other teacher in the marathon. Then afterwards, you'll have to do the revision. And that is what we call the unit wise revision. And overall, I would say you have to go for the 6 minimum revisions in order to crack NEET 2026. Keep that thing in your mind. Okay. And I would want you guys to start with the weaker section, or it completely depends upon you. Like you can divide with the 4 portions. Okay. Like 11th part 1, 11th part 2, 12th part 1, 12th part 2. Some people say, I'll start with the 11th part 1, go with that. Okay. And use the handwritten notes while revising the chapter. Handwritten notes are those notes which you were making while learning with me in the marathon. And minimum of 100 questions must be done while revising the chapter or the chapters. Okay. From every single chapter. Then, my dear friends, we say tests. Then, my dear friends, we say tests. Every Sundays, you guys are supposed to give the tests. And afterwards, you have to analyze the mistakes. Like if you couldn't solve the question from this particular portion, why couldn't you solve? What was the reason behind that? You have to figure that out. You have to check that out. Why couldn't you solve? What was the reason behind that? Each and every single thing. That is what we call the analysis. And with this, you are going to get the good score. That is for sure. This is going to build your confidence. This is going to help you boosting your score. That is for sure. Okay. So, my dear friends, if you want to take the Unacademy subscription, you can take it right now. Okay. The link is in the description below. So, make sure you smash the like button on this video. Take care and bye bye. Thank you so much. Thank you.